Zach Detmore here with another boring organizational video. Today we're talking about what I'd like to tell my employees back in the day about a checklist they should look for before an inspector comes to look at insulation, specifically bat insulation. Now, if you're not a fiberglass bat insulation person, this might be a tough video to watch. But if you've done a lot of code minimum houses like I have, this might feel very familiar. So let's jump into it. Boom! There's a checklist. Make sure walls are insulated to a minimum R15. That's what's allowable currently in New Jersey. Make sure ceilings are insulated as high as you can fit. So that could be interpreted different ways. Not great wording, I admit, but as high as you can get it. Don't sort of stop and then let there be a cavity. Fill the cavities up. I could have said that better. If you are insulating an attic or underside of a roof, make sure that the baffles are installed. So just put baffles in. We fail for that all the time. It's a arguable code, and I don't agree with it. But an insulation inspection, they ask about it. So you got to do it if you're dealing with bats. If you are using bat insulation, make sure vapor retarder is on the interior. That is specific to our climate. Once again, vapor retarder to the inside. Make sure vapor retarder is neat and not crumpled. So don't do a sloppy job. Tighten it out if your insulation contractor was a little bit messy pants that day. Make sure all the bats are not compressed or installed with large gaps. Make sure it's done properly. Think that would be obvious. Make sure windows and doors are insulated with canned spray foam. And put T50 staples on the bats about every 10 inches or so. Don't want big saggy bits. So that's basically a quick one for bat insulation that we used to go over in case someone was new on the job or didn't know what to look for before the inspector showed up. If you found this video helpful, check out that subscribe button. It's looking pretty cool. And I'll see you for another organizational construction related video. Thanks.